I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about a photo library structure that still makes sense 10 years from now. A good photo library starts with a simple, durable folder structure, one that makes sense on its own before any software touches it. That structure is the physical home of your photos. AI cataloging and tagging then add fast search on top. So how should you structure a photo library? Use a date-based hierarchy. Start with the year at the top level, then a folder per shoot or per month, named with the date first so it always sorts in order. Within each shoot, keep your originals untouched in one place, and put edits or exports in a separate folder, so you never overwrite a master. What makes a structure good? 3 qualities. It is simple, so you can explain it in a sentence. It is durable, so it still makes sense to a stranger, or to you in 10 years with no software. And it is consistent, following the same pattern every time. The enemy is cleverness. Elaborate schemes that depend on your own logic break down the moment you are busy. Resist splitting by subject because one shot belongs to many subjects. That is what tagging is for. Set the structure up once, then let AI search do the finding. See how we put this to the test at aiprophotography.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss what's next.